was 15 once, just like you. Had the scent of innocence with a little hint of cinnamon. Little devil with a baby grin.